Which operation was launched by the CBI to combat transnational organized cybercrime and digital arrest? Answer: Operation Chakra 5. Where was the rare fungi species Hygrocybe pellucida recently discovered in Telangana? Answer: Kavel Tiger Reserve. Which state UT conducted the world's highest frozen lake half marathon? Answer: Ladakh. Which country has become the 19th state member of the International Union for Conservation of Nature? Answer: North Korea. Who is the President of India as of early 2026? Answer: Draupadi Murmu. What is the objective of the Mutual Credit Guarantee Scheme recently in the news? Answer: Supporting MSMEs. Which organization developed the online National Drug Licensing System portal? Answer: Center for Development of Advanced Computing. What is the focus of Creators Corner platform launched recently? Answer: Empowering digital creators across India. Where was the Black Swan Summit India 2026 organized? Answer: Karnataka. Which country leads globally in issuing internationally recognized certificate of compliance under the Nagoya Protocol? Answer: India TT. The Chhattisgarh government has initiated the first supercritical thermal power project in which district? Answer: Korba. Which institution has notified to recognition and grant of equivalence to qualifications obtained from foreign educational institution regulations 2025? Answer: University Grant Commission. Where was the first ever Himalayan High Altitude Atmospheric and Climate Center launched? Answer: Udhampur, Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has inaugurated Northeast India's first onco robotic surgery facility? Answer: Assam. Vizhinjam International Seaport is located in which state? Answer: Kerala. Which rivers are exclusively allocated to India under the Indus Water Treaty? Answer: Ravi with Satluj. What is the name of the counter-insurgency operation recently launched in Bijapur, Chhattisgarh? Answer: Operation Sankalp. Kanda tribe is primarily found in which Indian state? Answer: Odisha. The Irula tribe is primarily found in which region? Answer: Nilgiri Mountains. Who is considered the father of medicine in India? Answer: Charak. Tulsi River that was recently seen in news flow through which two states? Answer: Assam and Meghalaya. Which state has become the first in India to bring all urban local bodies under the digital platform? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Which state government has digitized the National Family Benefit Scheme to enhance transparency and efficiency in June 2025? Answer: Uttar Pradesh.